back to my channel, and today's video will be a Zara shopping haul video. Today I want to show you everything that I've purchased in Zara recently. This will be some of the pieces that I've ordered online and also some of the pieces that I purchased in store last week. I have published a video on my channel about how I visited Zara store, and well, I purchased some pieces during that visit, so I'm going to show you everything today. As you know, my style is pretty classic and I don't run after trends. I like buying pieces that are timeless and that are going to stay in my wardrobe for years. That's why when I go to Zara, I pay attention to pieces which are timeless, which are made of good quality materials and which have a really classic, mostly neutral colors. And also that is a very good tip if you want your outfit, your clothes to look expensive. You really have to stick to mostly neutral color palette and really pay attention to the quality of the materials of the clothes. For example, when I'm choosing the knits in Zara or in H&M, for example, I try my best to choose the knits which are made of wool, of cotton, of cashmere if I'm lucky, not of polyester, for example. Let's move to the pieces that I purchased in Zara, and a few of them are already on me. This is the green sweater and a cream skirt. The color of a sweater is really like calm light green. It is very soft, this one. I chose this sweater mainly because of the color. I like that it was not a typical beige or grey that I would always choose, but at the same time this is a very calm light tone which would fit with all of my outfits and that would stay really timeless for many years ahead. So up close, the sweater looks like that. It is a little bit fluffy, if you can say so. And I also think that this sweater looks quite expensive. It doesn't look very mass market or cheap. I'm wearing the smallest size. The shape of this sweater is very loose, like that. I think the best way to wear it is to tuck it in the pants or in the skirt that you're wearing, and that is exactly what I have done. And together with the sweater, I'm wearing a skirt. This is a Zara skirt that I have just purchased. This is a knit skirt of a creamy color, and honestly I have questions to the skirt and I am not sure I'm going to keep it. First is because when you tuck something inside of this skirt, it gets really visible on your belly or on the sides of your body, and well, it is not nice. I think that if the material of the skirt was thicker, maybe it would not be visible that much that when you are tucking in a sweater and it's all crumbling underneath the skirt. And the second feature that I don't really like is that the skirt is creasing a lot. That is strange for a knit, but that is the truth. As you can see, there are some creases here on the knit, although I've ironed it, and well, I think it was folded for a very long time. That's why these creases are so deep. I don't know, that is something I'm not sure about in this skirt. Anyway, I think the idea of it is very good. That is a creamy colored skirt which would fit to lots of looks that you can create in fall, winter and spring, and this skirt can stay in your wardrobe for a very long time. You can put it really high on your waist, you can move it down to make it longer. I like the pairing of this light green and the cream, and I am going to also put the boots and the coat for you to see how this look kind of gets together. Next, I'm going to show you the boots that I've just got in Zara, and maybe it is even my favorite purchase of them all. Well, anyway, you're gonna see them right now. These are genuine leather boots of tan color. They have a medium heel and toe which is not very pointed and not very round, something in the middle between pointed and round. You know, just the classic kind of toe you would want to have on your boots for them to look relevant for a long time. And generally they are supposed to come just to my knee. I'm going to put them on right now for you to see how they look, but I think they are perfect. I already obviously tried them on before, and they are very comfortable. In Zara, I always take size bigger for the shoes. So generally I'm 39, but in Zara I'm taking the size 40. The size 40 fits me perfectly in these boots. And my personal opinion that for my autumn winter wardrobe, I need both black shoes and brown or tan shoes. And these tan boots are going to be a perfect pair in order to fit that niche of tan brownish boots that would be there for my brown outfits, for my beige outfits. Also, to complete this look, I'm going to grab a coat. If you're interested in the price of the boots, it is 500 zloty. I think it is about $100 at the moment. The coat that I have here is a coat from Zara from my recent purchase as well. It has a classic beige color, the color of the coat that you can wear forever, really. It has a classic shape. It is a long coat and it has a belt to tie on your waist. My aim was to find a perfect long coat for autumn and winter so that I could wear midi and maxi skirts during this season, because before I only had like short coats and short puffers, and I think that when you have a short coat or short puffer, you can't really wear midi maxi skirts or dresses. First, it looks a little bit strange, and second, it is cold. It's not good for your health to go out like that. That's why I needed a long coat so that it would cover me completely in my dresses and in my skirts. And that was something I found, and I'm very happy about it. I'm putting on a coat so that you could see how it looks on me. That is a really, really classic coat. There is nothing about it that would look too trendy and too strange in a year or two. You can perfectly wear this coat for years. So here is the belt, like that. You can combine it with lots of different colors of scarves. There are pockets here. Yeah, there are 2 pockets here on the back. That is regular coat, nothing crazy about it. In order to complete this look, I would like to grab this Sandro bag. This is a tweed bag with some gold hardware. I really think that it fits this outfit because it has some beige tones and some green tones in it. And that is my first look, consisting of recent Zara purchases ready. Let's move to the next one. The next thing that I have purchased in Zara is this sweater. It is a striped oversized sweater. It is super, super comfy. The colors here are like dark navy blue and cream, and I feel very good in it. Most days I'm pairing this sweater with this pair of pants. This is a Massimo Dutti pair of pants in velvet in dark navy blue color. And today, to finish this look, I have put an H&M bow in my hair. This is black velvet bow. And also I'm going to wear black boots and grab a black bag. The black bag that I'm going to wear to complete this look is this H&M twist clutch on a chain with silver hardware. And the boots that I'm going to wear are my favorite medium-heeled black leather boots. These are by Casadei. They have a pointed toe with some little studs around it. The medium heel here. So let's put them on. I am very happy about the way this look turned out. It feels casual and really easy to throw on, but at the same time it's a little bit chic and a little bit elegant because of this medium heel I'm wearing. The black clutch gives elegance as well, and the striped knit is really timeless. I think it never goes out of fashion. The next thing that I'm going to show you that I got in Zara is going to be my absolute favorite. So the leather boots are going to be on the second place, and this one is the first place for sure. This is this creamy colored sweater. This is a Zara sweater which is 100% wool. It definitely doesn't feel mass market. This sweater feels expensive, and it looks expensive in real life. It has the creamy white color that is trendy always each year, and it has a really nice feel. It is super warm as it is 100% wool. You're going to be good in this sweater on the coldest winter days. You can combine it with lots of different outfits. It has kind of a loose shape, this sweater, so my favorite way to wear it is to wear it with a belt, but at the same time you don't have to really wear a belt. You can put the sweater on and just have this kind of an oversized look without a belt. Today I'm pairing this sweater with a Louis Vuitton belt. Also, I have put on the trousers that I have recently purchased in the other stories. Other Stories is a brand from the H&M group, if you didn't know about it. These are 100% wool trousers in a brownish color, and I'm wearing them in a size 34, but I think they run a little bit small, so it's better to take a size up if you're interested in these pants. So that is the look that I'm creating here. I am lacking a coat. I think this look would be so much better with a coat. So I'm going to grab a Zara coat that I've already shown you, the one that I have just purchased. This beige coat draped over my shoulders is going to match really nicely the brown color in the belt, in the pants. And to match the belt, I'm going to grab a Louis Vuitton clutch. I have this Louis Vuitton clutch for so many years already. I think it is 10 years old almost. The quality of Louis Vuitton leather goods is just phenomenal. I think, like in my experience, it is better than in Prada and in Chanel, the aging of their bags, but maybe I'm not right. Anyway, I'm going to put on the sneakers because these kind of wide-legged trousers that I'm wearing right now are going to look very good with the sneakers. The sneakers that I'm going to put on today are the sneakers from Louis Vuitton. They have this Louis Vuitton pattern here, which is going to match the bag and the belt. So let's put them on, and that is my final look using Zara pieces from the latest collection complete. I'm really satisfied about the way all of the looks turned out, and I'm really glad to know that it is still possible to find good quality, classic, expensive looking pieces in Zara which are not crazy expensive. But you have to understand that, for example, 100% wool sweater that I'm wearing right now is going to be more expensive in Zara than the one made of polyester. You can have two very similar sweaters in Zara, a wool one and a polyester one. But if you want this piece of clothing to stay in your wardrobe for a longer time, you have to pay this small extra price for the natural materials, because a polyester sweater is going to look really cheap very fast. You will not even notice how fast it's going to get this damage of material and just not to look the same. So I highly recommend you to pay attention to what you buy in Zara, to pay attention to the colors, to the materials, and to the styles of the pieces. I really hope that this video was useful for you. If you like it, please write in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this. Push the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you soon.